Introducing the 2025 Volvo Xc90 T8, Phev Plus Bright, AWD MY25.5 in stunning blue. This MPV is not only stylish but packed with features for your comfort and safety. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this vehicle has it all. With security features like anti-collision system and lane departure warning, you can feel confident on the road. The exterior features a glass roof and chrome package for added style. And with a 2-litre engine and petrol plug-in hybrid electric fuel type, you get power and efficiency in one. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this amazing vehicle. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.